I look over the cases that where I've helped people who've been involved in a bicycle versus automobile case, and I see some common mistakes that they make, not intentional, but mistakes nonetheless. Um, and the first one is they don't get medical care. They uh, they just, whether they're embarrassed by what happened or they don't think that they're that badly hurt, they don't go, and it's not for days or maybe even weeks when things start to hurt, the pain starts to come, that they go. But they've lost a golden opportunity to get help immediately, which will maximize their chances of recovering from this bad event. Um, Additionally, typically uh, bicyclists will have, more often than not nowadays, helmets, but the helmets are not going to keep a traumatic brain injury from happening. So if someone's ejected off a bicycle, more than likely they're going to hit their head on something. And those symptoms that come from a traumatic brain injury don't necessarily manifest themselves early on, but they do show up on diagnostic testing and provide a baseline that will help in the development of the brain injury case if it's there. So that's the first thing. The second is they don't get a hold of a lawyer immediately. And in a case involving bicycles and things like that, those things get disposed of very quickly. Typically a bicycle is pretty well mangled and it just gets thrown away. And people forget or don't think that it's important in terms of their case. And by the time they get to a lawyer and the lawyer asks, well, where's the bicycle? Well, it's gone. And particularly up here in Nassau County, we have heavy road construction on a lot of our roads, as exists also in Duval County and the Jacksonville area. And not getting to a lawyer quickly, circumstances can change, construction areas change, and we lose the ability to go out and take photographs of those areas. So the two common things that I see most of the time are failure to get completed treatment early on and failure to get the lawyer involved early on. Doing those two things will help get you better. It will help preserve the value of your case. So if you been hurt while on a bicycle, and call me early, and we'll sit down and we'll talk about things, and we'll do those things necessary to enhance the value of your case and increase your chances of making a good recovery. Thank you.